Welcome back to BLOCKTV. This is Blockheads. We round up the top headlines from around the cryptosphere. Crypto Potato reports how WeChat search volume for blockchain spiked 1,200% following the new Chinese cryptocurrency laws. CoinDesk reports how crypto capital principal indicted on fraud, confirming Bitfinex's allegations. Daily Hodl reports how Bitcoin futures skyrocket as crypto platforms Binance and BACK both post breakout performances. AMB Crypto reports how Bitcoin Cash encounters problem with mining as a single miner controls 50% of the hash rate. And lastly, Cointelegraph reports how the largest American food co-op to pilot MasterCard's blockchain technology. Well, start off, Crypto Potato reports, which with a name like that you gotta trust, that ever since Chinese President Xi Jinping gave a speech about how the country should adopt blockchain technology, searches for blockchain on WeChat, which is China's Facebook, WhatsApp, Venmo, and basically everything app. Well, searches have skyrocketed to 9.2 million searches for blockchain per day. This just goes to show you that one, the power that the Chinese government endorsing blockchain has on its peoples and industries, and two, the number of people living in China. Now, many are attributing Bitcoin's skyrocketing price on Friday to China's endorsement of blockchain technologies. All signs point to China being the new world leader in blockchain. After Jinping's speech, the Chinese government announced over 500 blockchain enterprise projects that have been filed with them from a wide range of companies and banks, including major corporations such as the world's biggest bank in assets, ICBC, Baidu, China's Google, Tencent and Alibaba, Chinese Amazon's, but bigger and more involved in everything, and Huawei, Chinese Apple, or China's Apple. They all have blockchain projects and many other companies, not to mention all the government projects as well. China is the new leader in blockchain. Well, the story of Bitfinex and crypto capital just keeps getting weirder and weirder. Yesterday, we reported how crypto capital's president, Ivan Manuel Molina Lee, was extradited to Poland on charges of laundering $390 million. Well, now, crypto capital principal Oz Yosef has been indicted by the U.S. Attorney Office of the Southern District of New York on conspiracy to commit bank fraud, and conspiracy to operate an unlicensed money transmitting business. Now, if you noticed, we showed Bert and Ernie on screen. That's because it's almost impossible, or is impossible, to find any pictures of the people running this crypto capital seemingly scam coming out and all this fraud coming out. These people just simply do not exist. Now, how anyone commits bank fraud without conspiring to commit bank fraud confuses me, but he got charged with both. Now, these arrests, more importantly, these arrests prove what Bitfinex was claiming, was that they suck at picking banks to hold their money and handed $880 million of their money to these doofuses who got caught, and then that caused the New York Attorney's Office Attorney General's Office to investigate the relationship between Bitfinex and Tether. So this is causing more and more headaches. So while the crypto capital people have gone down and it kind of backs up Bitfinex's allegations, Bitfinex is not in the clear just yet. Daily Hodl reports that Bitcoin's huge gains Friday has pushed futures trading to an all-time high. Binance and BACK trading platforms are reporting record-breaking volumes. Binance futures shot up to $1.14 billion with 165,000 Bitcoin trading on Friday alone. BACK's Bitcoin future offering was traded 1,183 times, which is a high for them as well. AMB Crypto reports that one miner controls 50% of the hash power for Bitcoin Cash. One miner was able to mine 24 blocks in 1 hour and 80 in 1 day. Keep in mind, a block is at once every 10 minutes, so that really highlights the issues. What you see on screen is the Bitcoin Cash hash rate, and you see it going up and down, up and down. So basically, what is happening is that the blockchain automatically adjusts its difficulty to mine based off how much hash power is on the network. Its goal is to average 10 minutes per block mined. So what this nefarious hacker is doing is he's gaming that self-adjusting process for profit. Because Bitcoin and BCH, or BTC and BCH, use the same mining process, someone with an average amount of hash power on the BTC network would have super hash power on the BCH chain. So the nefarious hacker switches his BTC rigs to mine BCH, mining some blocks very easily because he has a lot of power. Then the difficulty for BCH increases in response, so he switches back to BTC. Then BCH difficulty decreases in response, so he hops back to BCH. and mines a couple more blocks easily, and repeats and repeats and repeats, basically gaming the system. Now, the main issue is that this ability to hop mining power easily from BTC to BCH poses a security risk for BCH. The proof-of-work consensus system protects the blockchain by tying the price of the coin to the difficulty and cost of mining it. Because BTC is worth a lot more to mine than BCH, but one can still easily and quickly switch their BTC mining rigs over to BCH to take advantage, allows for this instant 50% network hash power opportunities, which the community must figure out a solution for if they want their chain to succeed. We will report on that as it develops. Cointelegraph reports how Topco Associates, the largest American retail food group purchasing organization, will pilot MasterCard's blockchain tech in its operations. They will use the whole chain platform, that's it's called, to trace the origins and journeys of its produce, meat, and seafood. Now, blockchain has found a solid footing providing supply chain applications in the food industry. Walmart is already using the blockchain to track Indian shrimp supply. Walmart China is tracking more general food using VeChain's Thor blockchain. And Switzerland's largest supermarket chain, Migros, announced that it will use the blockchain to trace its products. Well, that was Blockheads. Stay current, stay informed, and stay tuned at BLOCKTV.com.
For more news and updates, follow us on Twitter.